Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial video from How to Log In. In this tutorial video, we will be showing you what you can do when your chat heads on Messenger are not showing up. The chat head feature is a convenient way to reply to your messages on the Messenger application without exiting any other application that you are using. However, if your chat heads are not showing up on your device, then this might be because your application is not provided access with the screen overlay settings. In order to solve this, first of all, just go ahead and open up the Messenger application. Once the Messenger application is opened up, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then from your profile page, scroll down and you will see the chat head section. Go ahead and tap on the toggle and you will see a button which says Go to Settings. Tap on this and you will be taken to the overlay settings page for the Messenger application. Just tap on Allow Permission and then you can exit the Messenger application altogether. And now your chat heads problem has been solved. The next time you receive a message, you will be able to see your chat head bubble. That's all for this video. If you like this content, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you wish to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.